Let's make a plantain sweet. It's called as Kozhukattai or stuffed with coconut. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Moses kitchen. With plantain, I made a lot of sweet and dessert, some crispy snacks like Pazham Pori and gulab jamun with plantain and Tostones. Please try the recipes. With this recipe, we can make 8 balls. We need 3 pieces of ripe plantain cut into small pieces, and using a masher or with a hand, mash the plantain well. Keep it aside. Onto a pot on a very low flame, 1 cup of rice flour, dry roast it, and add the rice flour to the mashed plantain. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Combine well. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well, make a dough, set it aside. On a low flame, clarified butter 2 tablespoons, 15 pieces of cashew nut chopped, saute until golden. Add 1.5 cup grated coconut. Combine well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix well. Add 1/2 cup of sugar. Give a quick mix. Saute for a minute. Turn off the flame, set this aside, let it cool down. Make 8 balls like this. Flatten it very thin. Put the stuffing at the center and cover it carefully. Make a ball like this and place it on a plate. Make all the plantain balls like that. Onto a steamer. Let it start boiling. Place the plantain balls. Cover it and steam for 8 to 10 minutes. Open it. Remove from the steamer. Place it on a plate. You will get a beautiful steaming plantain stuffed with coconut. Just enjoy and eat. Don't miss out. To give me a support by subscribing my channel, Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? What about this one? Just make sure you